Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Sparky Build. This is back on the Cougar, Volume 2. We already did the Mustang 2 front suspension on this thing. You guys saw that. Today, we're going to see if this LS will even fit in that car. Try and do some turbo placement and go from there, right?
Right.
All right, let's get to work, man.
Let's do it.
What happened? You want to start working? Push. I'm gonna let the jack down, get the transmission out of the way, and then try and cut some holes.
All right. Are you sure you don't want me to get the torch?
Oh no, man, this shit looks flammable. I'm already worried about the sparks. Look at that carpet, man.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm glad we're putting new stuff in here.
Yeah.
Wasn't quite ready to take it out yet, but oh well. We gotta cut, Right?
Right.
Okay. Please fit. So I just had to cut. So now I need to get up on the motor
Yeah.
and figure out where my center line of the frame is so I can get the crank lined up center line.
Yep.
And then make sure we're lined up going to the rear end.
Okay.
And then I can start making mounts and shit.
Awesome.
Yeah. So we got the motor center line between the chassis. Got the transmission centered up where it needs to go. Made sure that we have a straight drive line. And then we found our angle of the chassis, made sure that we were about 3 degrees back on the engine. So now I'm gonna go ahead and build the transmission mount first, which means I've got to actually move the jack where it's at, unbolt that torque arm box that they have on there, because I'm not gonna be using the torque arm on this car. And then I'm gonna start building the mount to the subframe. Might get to bust out the pipe bender today, so that's good. Once we get the transmission mount done, then I'll move up and start fabricating the motor mounts.